I'm not trying to scam anybody here.
Well, hey there, amigos, and welcome back to Dudecraft. Today we're doing a DIY French cleat handsaw rack using found lumber, found hardware, a pegboard peg, my pocket hole jig, and grinder. So right now we're just drilling some pocket holes into the French cleat so I can put the pegboard peg in it, adjusting it a little bit there. Now we're going to drill up into it to make it a better fit. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, that's looking good. So now we're just taking the face part and we're measuring up, and we're going to drill out some holes so that the pegboard peg can sit in there better and the face and the French cleat will be flush together. Here we are. We're taking a Forstner bit and we're drilling out that square. Drill a hole there, drill a hole there, drill a hole everywhere. Alright. Going to take it up and measure it. We're going to drill a hole through for the pegboard peg. We're going to see that it needs some micro adjusting here, so we're going to go back in and drill a little bit more. A little bit more. And as they say in Babe, that'll do, pig. That'll do. Alright, now we're going to go over here. We're going to join the face plate with the French cleat using the screws I found in other lumber. Next on the agenda, we're going to take, measure, and trim off some of that peg because it's just way too dang long. I do love using an angle grinder. There we go. Now right here, you're going to see why I need to reclaim my garage. Look at that mess, man. It is not feng shui, and it is most definitely not conducive to a creative atmosphere. So it's a work in progress, man. We're getting there. We're just going to put a little hook on the end of this peg so that the handsaws don't fall off. There we go. Looking good. Painting. I know that most people hate sanding more than painting, but I think I hate painting more than sanding. But at the end of the day, you got to make the thing look pretty. And let me tell you, man, look at this. It looks pretty. So we're getting to the point of the video now where we're going to do the grand reveal and the hanging of the saws. Drum roll, please. Ta-da! Alright, I want to thank everybody. For taking time out of their day to watch this short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. As always, the dude bides, and so do I. Catch you guys next time.